what is the remote version of that, like sliding the offer letter across the table?
Yeah, and that's a good question. I mean, like, first of all, for me, it has to be on a video call. Like, I have to be able to reach somebody, right? Phone calls for me, I still struggle with. But if I can get somebody here and I can tell them, hey, we're ready to go, getting the offer letter to them is no more than an email away these days. So if you get your paperwork and everything lined up and you can fire that off, you have a really good chance of closing them. When you show people you care about them, when you don't make them wait, when they email you, you email them right back. When you thank them, you give them like the full court press, right? They notice, right? They know when they're appreciated. They know when you want them. Why would you want to go to a company that didn't care about you? Why would you want to go to a company that didn't show you the love, right? Everybody wants to feel the love. And you when you have that, and right now when I'm hiring people that are, remote, this is a great opportunity to tell them what it's like to work remote and how I work remote and how other people do and some of the challenges, and tell them some of the things that haven't gone well and how you resolved it and overcame that, right? You tell them these stories and they can see, that they're not going to be on an island, that they'll be part of a team. And even though they're not in the office, right, they'll be, you don't forget people. You always do video conferencing. You talk about your documentation, having agendas, like any processes you have to kind of set them at ease. Switching jobs is a lot of anxiety, right? It's a lot. You have to be really frustrated sometimes to leave a good paying job for another one, because let's be honest, wherever you go, there are going to be problems. You're trading one set of problems for another, right? What you're hoping is a set of problems you're trading for are less or not as impactful to you as the other ones. And when you do that, anything a hiring manager can do to kind of ease that anxiety is going to go a long way.